Want to add some geometric style to your image? Here's how to do it in Befunky. Start by opening your image in Befunky. Click on the Graphics tab in the left toolbar and select the Shapes option. Choose from a variety of geometric shapes like squares, circles, and triangles and drag them onto your image. Resize and position the shapes however you like. You can also adjust the color and opacity to blend them seamlessly with your image. Click Apply to finalize your design. Geometric shapes are great for adding structure or a modern touch to your images. What's your favorite geometric shape to use? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.